Okay, so if you are struggling with a payment gateway for your dropshipping store or for whatever it is that you are selling, you need a payment gateway to accept credit cards. This video is for you. And from this video, if you cannot get a payment gateway from this video, it's probably your fault. So I am asking you to stick around and listen carefully every detail in this video, because this is the same strategy that I use. This is the same strategy that I use for everyone out there that I helped from 2023 doing the same thing. A lot of people have been benefiting from this. So there are two ways, right, to get a payment gateway easily. I am going to explain everything. The first and the easiest, I know you might not like that, but most people go for that because it's instant, it's easy, fast. One day, in less than 20 minutes, you have a payment gateway, which is using my documents, my company to support your business. And I can activate Shopify payments for you on your Shopify store. And the only thing you need is your bank account, right? You attach your bank account. I do the setup. You attach your bank account. I handle all the documents, the verification, everything. The account gets approved and you attach your bank account. As soon as a customer pays, Shopify will start processing this money to your bank account. Within 2-3 days, you will have your money in your own bank account. So I do the setup. You put your bank, and the money goes into your bank, right? The other option, if you want to use your own documents, right? Now I'm telling you how you can obtain the legal documents to activate Shopify payments from wherever you are. You could be in Africa, in Asia, wherever Shopify payments are not available, wherever you cannot get a Stripe account from, right? I made a full course that explains the whole process that I use to obtain legal documents in these countries where Shopify payments are available, where you can get a Stripe account easily, right? So I put together all the information, a step-by-step guide on how you can obtain proof of address in these countries. Then you can open up Stripe account, Shopify payments, banks, waiver, anything that you want with that strategy. So choose the way that you want to do this. Get me to activate Shopify payments for you, or get you a Stripe account, or download the course that I made, and you can do everything by yourself.